Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a double knitting tutorial. In this one we're going to be looking at how to do the make one right increase. Now it's called a make one because it increases your stitch count by one pair of stitches, and it's called a make one right because it looks like it leans to the right on this side. The new stitch looks like it leans to the right on this side, and of course on the left on the back. So how is it done? There are two strands of yarn that we need to look at, and they're the ones that run between the last two stitches of the pair just worked and the two stitches of the next pair to be worked. And here they are. There's the one for the front, and hiding just behind it is the one for the back. So it's those two horizontal strands we're going to be looking at. You can, of course, choose which one you want to work into for various different effects. Your pattern should tell you which one, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to stay with the yellow one for the front and the purple one for the back. Now you need to lift up that front strand using the left needle, and because it's a make one right, you need to pick it up from back to front, so coming towards you that way. And then you want to knit that stitch through the trailing leg, which is the one in front of the needle, and you want to do that because you want to make sure that new loop lies twisted in the work like that. And can you see there, it already looks like it's leading over to the right hand side. Then you bring the yarns to the front, and then I'm going to tilt my needles towards me so that you can see, or so that I can see exactly what I'm doing at the back. It can be quite tricky to find that other running yarn there, but there I've got it. And this time I've gone in with my right needle, sorry, with my left needle, going in from front to back. And I go front to back because I went back to front on the other side. It's always a reverse when you do one layer or the other. And then in order to get this one to twist, I need to purl it through the back leg. So that means going all the way around the back and coming in towards me like that. And then I can purl the stitch and drop the loop. Then I take both yarns to the back of the work to complete the maneuver as always. So now you can see I've got this lovely little twisted extra stitch on the front, looking like it points over to the right, and on the back the same is true for this little purple stitch, and that looks like it twists over to the left, which means they're both pointing in the same direction. And that is the make one right in double knitting.